My motion, M-62, will be debated on the 26th of next month. Each and every party will speak to it. I expect each and every party to be supportive of it. I'd like to hear that today. Will you guys come up? The motion itself calls for 10,000 Uyghur to be resettled in Canada. And we have a beautiful tradition in this country of resettling refugees. Annually, we resettle approximately 62,000 refugees who contribute to Canadian society, who have crossed the Rubicon. They have nothing left behind and come with energy and vigor and develop our society here in Canada. These are people not only fleeing for their lives, but also to contribute and build our country. We all are from somewhere, except the Indigenous people. We all are from somewhere, right? You just got to look a little bit back, maybe 2, 3, 4 generations. We all came from somewhere. Our forefathers came to North America, came to Canada for better prospects, for economic empowerment, maybe because they were oppressed. We today now are looking to do the same thing for the Uyghur. So the motion calls for 10,000 to be resettled by 2024 here in Canada over 2 years. That's a duty of immigration. We hope and expect that the debate will be positive and that the vote, which will be happening at this point in December and January, will also be unanimous and positive, sending a clear voice. But we need you here, all of you, to be pushing, pressing, calling for us to, number 1, pass the motion. Number 2, act on the motion. Right? It's one thing to have an intention. It's another thing to have an action. We all know this. It's one thing to have an intention to do something, to be good, and it's another thing to see it through. So when we pass this motion together, we want to see this through. I don't want to take up time for my colleagues. They have important words to say. I haven't covered everything, so I've left things for them to talk about. Please do listen to them. We are working together on this. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup, MP Samir Zuberi. Thank you very much for your presentation.